Hey everyone, welcome to another installment of Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and today I am here to try. I'm right outside of Dairy Queen here to try the new Dairy Queen Blizzard of the Month for August 2021. This is the Reese's Extreme Blizzard. You can see they filled it all the way to the top here, which is very nice of them. I hit a little bit of a snafu ordering this actually. So you see it's supposed to be like just vanilla ice cream topped with chocolate, peanut butter, Reese's Pieces, and Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, hence Reese's Extreme. However, this location is apparently out of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, unfortunately, so this is a little less extreme than normal, but we're just gonna evaluate it as it is. It's still got most of the ingredients here, and we can use our imagination as to how the peanut butter cups would add to it. So I gotta say, it's looking really good so far. I don't know if you saw the little Reese's Pieces in there embedded in here. The spoon is deep inside. Man, they really filled this. They must have felt bad about the peanut butter cups, I guess. I'm not too upset. It happens, so anyway, let's get into it. Let's take our first bite here. Make sure we're getting plenty of Reese's Pieces in this first bite. Let's go. Well, I can tell you this much. It's not lacking in peanut butter. Every bite so far is just a shot of peanut butter, like right to my taste buds. You know that peanut butter feeling where it's almost like feel it all over your mouth, almost like the roof of your mouth, even in your teeth a little bit. That's what I'm getting from this. I just the peanut butter and chocolate, they mix so well together, and here's why I think peanut butter and chocolate is such a great combination. I'm sure this is something that philosophers have been talking about for years, but my take on it is you got the sweetness of chocolate, that smooth, sweet taste. Then you've got peanut butter. It's a little, I want to say saltier. It's got just a different kind of taste to it that combines really well with chocolate. So my favorite candies I've had have been a combination of peanut butter and chocolate. Take Fives, Reese's, any Reese's product really, peanut butter M&Ms. So this is no exception. I can only imagine that if we had Reese's Peanut Butter Cups in here, it would just add to that peanut butter chocolate combination. Just complete the symphony of flavor that we're getting here. As always, really well mixed. I always get a medium Blizzard because I feel like if you're getting a large, you're getting just a little too much ice cream, not quite enough mix-ins. And if you're getting a small, sometimes it's just too small. So I gotta say, good good job to Dairy Queen for the Reese's Extreme Blizzard. I believe the last time they had it was a couple years ago, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. It's been quite a while since they've had it, but you know, they do new blizzards every month. I definitely want to stay on top of those. Don't be surprised if you see another review for the Blizzard of the Month in September. You know, I'm really looking forward to seeing what it is. I look forward every month to seeing what the Blizzard of the Month will be. I love Dairy Queen. It's the Midwestern in me that just won't ever leave me. So, but that's gonna be it. Thanks everyone for watching this episode of Fat Guy Tries. If you liked this video, consider subscribing, leaving a comment, tell me what your favorite Blizzard flavors are, what you think the Blizzard of the Month will be in September, and are you more interested in trying the Reese's Extreme Blizzard now? Also, your thoughts on peanut butter and chocolate. Let's get to that age-old question. Just have fun with it, you know? This is a place of fun. My channel, I'd like to consider a place of fun. We need that in our world right now. So that's gonna do it for me. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.